Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a small haul video for you guys, and which includes makeup as well as clothes. So makeup is from Nykaa and the clothes are from Urbanic. So yeah, and let's get started. So yeah guys, the first product which I have is from Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil which I have. It's in the shade dark brown, and this is, you can see this is the shade, and the other side which I have is actually a mascara brush, but I use it for brushing my eyebrows because I think that's more better. And I'll show you the shade what it is. So I won't show a lot because it will get wasted, but this is the color and I think it's really nice. It's in dark brown and it has like black, light brown, and this dark brown was the shade, and I feel like this is what my shade is, and I think it's really nice for me. So, and the very good thing, it's a waterproof eyebrow pencil. These days it's raining a lot, so your eyebrows, like the eyebrow pencil which you do, and the color won't just drop off with the water. It's a waterproof, so it's very nice, and it's only for 125 rupees. So yeah, it's a very good purchase, I think. Yeah, so now I have the matte lip liner from K Beauty. It is very nice. It's in the shade Sensational. So this is the shade Sensational. It's a very nice color. I'll show you the color on my hand. It's very nice and nude. This is the shade and it's very pretty, and it was off 550, but some offers going on, I think, and in Nykaa you can put reward points, so I think because of that I got this in 468 rupees, and it's really nice. The good thing about this lip liner is I always like to wear like nude and like pink shades, so it really suits. Like even this I'm wearing today also, I know you can't see it, but like it really helps me, this. And like I like nudes. There was never many shades obviously, but I think this was the best shade and it is in the best sellers too. So yeah, I think it's really nice and affordable too. It's not that expensive. I know K Beauty is expensive, but I feel it's very nice. Yeah, so the next product which I have, this is from Swiss Beauty. It's an intense gel kajal and it's waterproof again in the shade turquoise. It's very nice guys. The shade is so pretty, like just see it. So this is the color, and sometimes I use it as a kajal, and even as like a liner. It looks really nice as a liner also. And if I have a picture of me putting this liner, I think I did once, so I'll put a picture here also that you can see then how this looks, and I'll show you the color. It's very smooth guys, I swear. Like I just made one line and it's done. So this is how the shade it looks. I think it looks very nice and pretty, and I don't have this. Everyone just uses black, and I think I really needed some different colors. I'm going to buy more like in other colors too, like pink, yellow. I like all these colors, so I thought this is very nice, and it was for 299, but because I think over the offer or something, I told you the reward points, I got this for 269. I think it's very nice and you can buy it. It's actually very pretty, and it actually looks really nice on you, so you can try it out. So guys, now I have a new product from Swiss Beauty, and it is so pretty. Like, oh my god, it is really pretty. You would have seen this eyeshadow in the video where I went to the Exotica, and I was wearing this in that. So it looks really nice, and it's in the shade Rose Gold. I think it looks very pretty. This is how it looks. This is the color and looks very pretty. I'll just show it to you. Can you guys see it? You guys just saw it, right? It's very pretty. This is the Rose Gold, and it's a very good eyeshadow, but the thing is you have to tap it. You can't just put it continuously again on your lid, because then it looks crunchy and like looks very bad. So you have to like dab it all the time. Like when you put the first one, then you have to dab it like this, then again you put it and then dab it. Don't put too much, because then it looks very bad and like, you know, crunchy. So I think this is very nice, but you will have to practice it 2-3 times to get it like properly, and it looks very nice. And if I have the picture of this also, I'll put it here so that you can see how I look. And yeah, and the second thing, it was for only 199 rupees. It is only for 199, and it is very nice, I think. And I'm going to buy more shades in it, like just champagne. It has like many shades. So next purchase, I'm gonna have a champagne shade in it. And yeah, the next thing I have, oh my god guys, I am so happy for this. I never thought I'll be able to buy it so soon, because I know how much, I know it is very expensive, but there was a hot pink sale from 22nd to 26th July, and this is where I bought this product. And oh my god, it is very expensive. And I'm not here to show off anything, but it is just that I feel happy when I share things with you guys, that you know what I bought, this is what I bought, I like it. And it is very, very expensive, not like itna bhi ki 10k 12k, but then it is expensive for the first timers, at least for the beginners like me. And I got this product for like 3000, I think 3675. I'll just tell you in a second. And first I'll open it. I can't even use this product because like it is so pretty, like oh my god, nahi ho raha karke. This is literally my reaction, and this is what it is. Oh my god, I know you can see the ring light, but this is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Oh my god, it is so even weird to say it. I'm gonna open it in front of you guys only. And guys, it is so pretty. My god, this is how it looks. It is so heavy. I didn't expect it to be heavy, because I thought कि ना आराम से मतलब इतना heavy भी नहीं होगा, but like it's actually heavy, and it just shows how luxurious it is. Sorry. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna open it directly. Just see the packaging guys, just see how pretty this looks. And now I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. I can't use it. I thought, you know, let's use it today, but then I don't have the strength to use this palette. I'm like, arey yaar, itna sundar, I don't want to destroy it. Guys, oh my god. Guys, this is how it looks. Just like, see the colors. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Like, the mirror is also actually very nice. I really like the mirror too. And yeah guys, it's one of the best products I got. It is very expensive. I think it's for 5,375, and because of the hot pink sale, there was a 40% discount on it. I'm like, you know what, sorry guys, actually my dog was barking. So this was for like 5,375, and there was a 40% discount on it. So I got it like for 3,000. I'll just check and tell you once. But you know what, I always buy a product in a month, so I thought कि ना इस बार थोड़ा महंगा ले लेते. I know like इतना सारा पैसे खर्च करना सिर्फ एक मेकअप पे, like you know, I know for some people it's like अरे भाई, are you gone mad, इतना पैसे तो इसके ऊपर खर्च कर रही है. But then I think it means a lot to me, and I am working hard for it. It's not like I'm not. And yeah, I'll just tell you the price in a second. To check and tell, I forgot the price. And yeah guys, I just checked. This product was for 5,375 as I told you, and then it's a 40% off, so I got it for 3,225. And uske upar bhi no reward points which you get. I got this for total is 3,211 and 211. It's very nice, and I think it's very close to my heart. I don't even feel like using it, guys. You saw like how creamy these products are, and I just touched it. It like literally came on my hand and just showed how pretty it was. It's very very pretty. Like I don't even feel like using it because like it looks so nice. I brushed, I don't want to destroy it. पता नहीं अब मैं कब use करूँगी. Obviously I am going to see it and I'm going to use it, and I'm also going to use this product in front of you guys also when I do a makeup tutorial on about this palette. And yeah, now we'll just jump into the clothes. Yeah guys, so now we are jumping into the clothes as I just told you, and I've ordered clothes from Urbanic as I told you in the starting of the video. Before I show you the clothes, I just want to tell you it took a lot of time for the clothes to arrive. It showed very less time. Like I ordered it on 5th July and it was going to come between 19th, I think, no, from 15 to 18 July, and it came to me on 22nd July. The clothes are really awesome. I love the clothes. It's like 5 stars for it, but the shipment was like, it took too long. I think it just opened here, and because it's very very far, I don't know where it came from, but I think because I am living here and it's very far, so I think that is the issue. So leave negative things aside, the clothes are really nice. I'm telling you guys, trust me, you should buy clothes from here. They're so soft, comfortable, and like the size accurate. Sometimes even if I buy a small, it's like अरे इतना बड़ा आ गया या कुछ ज़्यादा छोटा हो गया. It was the exact size which I wanted. And this is the first cloth which I have. This is the first top which I have, and this is the best thing I like about this Urbanic is they gave in this packaging which is really nice, that the clothes do not get spoiled. So this was the best thing I liked about it, and I was literally telling my mom कि अच्छा यार हमें सारे कपड़े ऐसे रखेंगे, so it will be so good and like clean and not dirty. So this was a very good thing. I loved it. This is it's in the color, sorry, I just spoke about makeup, that's why shades are coming out. This is in the oh my god, this is in the color khaki. It's very nice. I'll remove it's a drawstring vest. It's a drawstring tang vest. This is how it looks. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, guys, so this is how the top looks. It's very nice. It is tied from here. It's actually open when it comes, but like how much ever up you want it, you can just pull it and then just tie a knot here. This is how it looks. It is very nice. It's a very good top, and it had only one size in it. I think it is small size. I think it's small, yeah, because my size is small. It is very nice. The material is also very nice and comfortable, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. So now I'll just put a video, yeah, I'll put a clip here to show you how I was wearing it, how it was looking on me. So yeah, you can see it. Before that, I want to tell you, this was of 690 rupees. I know it's expensive, but it was an off on it, so I got this for 483 rupees, and I think it is very nice. And we use the word paisa vasool in Hindi. It's actually that, because it is so good. Like बहुत अच्छा material है और अच्छा है. And now you'll just see the clip how it looks on me. So you guys saw how the top was looking on me. The next is this sky blue color. This is a crisscross camis vest, and this was also for 690 rupees, but it was a 43% off on it, so I got this for 393, and it is really pretty, guys. It had also one size only and looks very pretty. I don't know how, if you can see it like this. When I wear it, you will be able to see it, but I'll still show it to you. This is how it looks from front. Like it just comes like this on me, and this is how the top looks, and then from behind it is like crisscross till like down. So I don't know how to show it like this, but this is how it looks like. It's crisscross. Oh god, it's very hard to show. And yeah, this is how it's crisscross from behind, and but it looks very very nice. This was from starting, it was like this, and I think I don't even want to open it. It looks very nice and it looks very pretty in this sky blue color. I don't have a color like this. There are many colors in this too, but you know, everyone has just most of the black clothes, and same here. So I thought, you know, I want some different colors because पूरा black मिलता ही नहीं है कि क्या पहनूं मैं. That's why I ordered like different clothes and different colors, and the clothes which I don't have right now. So this is one of the tops which I really adore, and the material is also so thin, like it is really thin and comfortable, and it is also the perfect size, proper fitting आया, बहुत अच्छा था, and the price was also reasonable. And now you just see the video how it looks on me. So I hope you liked what it looked like. Now you understand from the back it's like crisscross. I hope you guys got to know how it looks on me, and it looks very nice. Next I have this. It's like a dress. It's the last product and the last cloth which I have, like the last dress, sorry, what am I talking. And this is also very nice. It is for 990 rupees, and this is a drawstring bodycon dress. It is very nice, and I don't have like a piece like this or a dress like this, so I feel it's very nice for me and it suits me a lot. It's in the, what do you call, with, it is black and white. I think it had shades, I don't remember exactly, but it is very nice. The synthetic is so thin, like it is so comfortable, like बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable. ऐसा नहीं कि you know थोड़ा thick होते हैं ना, like even like a normal top's a little thick, but like this dress is not at all thick, and it's in this you know, it's in size small. So this is like a tie-dye dress, and I don't have something like this. So this is how like it looks. I think it's like this, yeah, it's like this. And then when you go up, I'll show you from the sides. Wait, from the sides it has like this. This is what you have. You can put it like, you know, pull it up how much ever you want, like जितना भी आप चाहता कि dress ऊपर लगे उतना आप कर सकते हो. So you have to just pull it, and these are the strings here. It's in both sides and it looks very nice. It looks very pretty on me, and I don't have a dress like this, so I thought it was very nice. The material is so thin, I'll show it to you. Like it is so thin, like this is how this thin the material is, and it is very pretty. You should buy this. Like I know it is expensive, it's 990, but it is very nice, and when you'll get it you'll be like, oh my god. Like I think first is this for me, second is this, and third is this. But because this is so nice and I don't have something like this, so yeah, and you see me how it looks on me when I wear it. So hi guys, I hope you all enjoyed this small haul with me of clothes and makeup, and I love you guys a lot. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you guys get notified, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.